most part, most for-profit credit repair operators are no longer operating in compliance. In fact, a consumer doesn't always realize the fact that it's very important that everybody that does credit repair have a state and federal license to do so. In other words, you can't go on TikTok, buy a book, and become a credit expert. You actually need to know what you're doing. Recently, frankly, the last couple years, the FTC, the CFPB have really come down hard on the for-profit credit repair space. And quite honestly, it's no longer even legal to operate a for-profit credit repair organization if you're charging even $1 before 6 months of completion of credit repair services. Now, even if that wasn't a thing, which it is, it's a big thing. In fact, it's going to keep a lot of you out of hot water by just simply knowing that you're referring to a licensed, great, ethical, compliant resource.